Boost energy and lose weight. 6. Rainforest-SUPER. 6. Ocimum Sanctum. Holy basil is a powerful herb that can help support weight loss efforts by reducing inflammation and regulating blood sugar levels. 5. Camellia Sinensis. Green tea is a powerful herb that can help to increase metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation, as well as reduce the risk of certain diseases. 4. Chlorogenic Acid. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Chlorogenic acid is a great way to kickstart your day and help with weight loss, as it inhibits carbohydrates and increases fat-burning enzymes. 3. L-Carnitine. Essential for energy production and can help improve athletic performance and insulin sensitivity. 2. Chromium. Essential for proper insulin function, helping to support healthy blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. 1. Resveratrol. Powerful compound found in grapes and other fruits that has been linked to weight loss and improved heart health.